In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download Google Maps for offline navigation on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, so let's get started. And first off, open up Google Maps app, then at the top right corner tap at your profile picture and select Offline Maps. Then tap at Select Your Own Map, and then just select the area that you want to save as your offline map, and once you've done that, just hit at Download. That will immediately download that map as your offline map. If you want to add one more region or location, just hit at Select Your Own Map, then select a different location, hit at Download to save it. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.